This is 23 acres of scenic tranquility, complete with a turnkey farmhouse and a massive workshop. Rolling pastures, a sparkling 2-acre pond, and sprawling land set the stage for the ultimate country lifestyle. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 3,000 square feet, this home blends modern updates with timeless farmhouse charm. Step inside and the space flows effortlessly. The open concept kitchen and living area is drenched in natural light, featuring custom cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, anchored by a gas fireplace that adds warmth and style. The main level primary suite is a private retreat with a walk-in closet, solarium, and turret-style nook perfect for reading, games, or hobbies. The spa-like bath boasts a tiled shower and garden tub. Upstairs, discover another bedroom, half bath, and a sprawling bonus room, currently a library and home gym, complete with built-ins and a cozy window seat, perfectly balancing charm and function. Outside, the lifestyle possibilities expand. Stroll the pasture, relax by the 2-acre pond, soak in the hot tub, or tend the greenhouse. The newly constructed workshop with loft storage, whole house generator, tankless water heater, water filter, and 9 HVAC mini splits make life effortless and ready for every project. This property is peaceful country living elevated with modern luxury, space to roam, create, and enjoy every day. 23 acres, endless possibilities.